being a woman in this field of technology, I know that most of the experts here are men, but I did not give up. I believed in myself that I can do it. When it comes to upskilling women, I believe that women can do it. Women can make a breakthrough in this field. Hello, mabuhay, and good day because, of course, I greeted you mabuhay because I'm a Filipina and I'm Doher Drizzle Pablo. You can call me Drizzle, and I'm currently the subsidiary business group lead for business applications at Microsoft Philippines. I am also a community leader for BizUps PH community and Power BI PH community. Also, I was a former founder of DMD Chic Mode. It was a startup company and was a Microsoft partner. And I am proud to say that I am a mother of three adorable kids. Yes, well, I believe at the age of 25, I was able to reach the peak of Maslow's hierarchy of needs. So it's like the pyramid, but not the pyramiding or anything sorts, but it's more on from your basic needs, love, safety, security, and lastly is self actualization. Like I have a joy in my heart or contentment. However, I still want to have a new opportunity or to challenge myself to even be better. And lastly, of course, I still want to inspire and empower others. So I pursue my Microsoft Business Applications journey. Yes, of course. At first, I am an undergraduate of a management course. I only finished until third year, and I really don't have an IT background. Like, I'm not a techie person during that time. And of course, being a woman in this field of technology, I know that most of the experts here are men. So those are like my hesitations, but I did not give up. I believed in myself that I can do it. And of course, I know that I'm in good hands with Microsoft. All right, well, I have observed that we have scarcity of Microsoft professionals and developers. And in order for us to overcome this is I curated like an approach since Microsoft loves acronyms. I also have my acronym. So that is the LEAD, LEAD. So L is for learn. Of course, learning is our basic or the foundation. You just need to select the right learning path or your journey with Microsoft Business Applications or any technology of Microsoft. E is for enrich. So you just need to cultivate the learnings that you got. Third is apply. So the actual application, the usage of these solutions. And D is for it's either you deploy the app or the solution or you develop it in your organization. So I believe it's very important that we just need to continue empowering, educating, and inspiring people. When it comes to upskilling women, I believe that women can do it. Women can make a breakthrough in this field. It's just simply because I can do it and they can do it too. Well, if you will notice most of my answers, or you will hear me another acronym again, so that you can easily remember and be able to embody it because you were able to remember those simple terms or keywords. So I'll start with the CODE acronym. So CODE is collaborate. We collaborate to everyone. And then O is for open to all or open for all, as long as you are willing to learn and you believe in yourself that you can. as well. And D stands for develop. So we just need to develop your skills, talent, and attitude. And E is for empower. I believe that we just need to continue empowering people through this program so they can achieve more and be more.